I'm going to show you how you can cook Brussels sprouts in the microwave. Trim off the dry end, add a little bit of water, put it in covered loosely for at least 2 minutes and check it after that. Now we'll use a fork and check to see if they're tender. They could probably go a little bit more. We'll put it in for another minute. Now they're soft enough to put your fork in. Drain the water, add in some cheese. So I'm adding some ham, heat it up a bit more. Stir it up, add a little salt and pepper, and it's delicious.